Okay, guys, this was really quick. Anyway, so sometimes I came with an idea that I want to remember for myself because it's so almost important, or maybe I do. Uh, and it used to be very important. Yeah. At the same time, where I am afraid to share it with the world because maybe it's more important. So not to be sure. Anyway, I don't know what it is, but we can like we always do. Chill with it as it should, haha. So ladies and gentlemen, once upon a time, yeah, like if you can bring Einstein, if you, I don't know, if I tell you, if you meet someone in the street and that's one, you see him, he said ho ho ho, he said I am Einstein, okay, you look at him, say no, it's not true, Einstein, and he maybe say well, that's a wrong story or not wrong story, I don't know, but I can prove to you that if you don't believe I'm Einstein, you will probably believe that I'm a real I'm a real genius. So I said okay, let's do it. So he said okay, write on paper. I said okay, yes, I took my pen, I took my paper, and then he started to say sine, cosine plus cosine, and the answer you get plus the answer you get multiple with sine, cosine, until a very long equation. Like to solve it, you really need a real computer to do it. Then, like, it's very hard. And then he laughed at me. I look at him and say, do you think I can? Do you think I can answer that? And how can I be sure that you didn't make it up? He said, okay, tell me. He said, tell me any numbers you have in your head right now. I said, okay, 5. He said more. I say, I don't know, 3. He said more. I say 9. He said more. He said, fuck it, 12. And then he said, okay, write them on the back of the paper. I put it. And then he say, you are allowed to write on the paper, on the other side of it, any numbers you get in your head, in any time, no matter how big it is, I don't know, I don't care. Just fill the paper. Okay, and the answer will always be the same. Will always be not the same. The answer, if you put every numbers you started with in your head in that equation, it will always show the next number you thought about in the first you created by your own brain. Okay, and then if you think that if you like if the first number was what we said in the beginning, I think 3, and then you decided that in your brain without writing it on paper, you decided that the equation result of that long process will be, and you put in your head 13, 12, okay, and then you choose any number, you write it on that paper, in the back seat of that paper, and you put it in the equation, and you already decided that any number you had in your head in the future, and then the computer starts to work. The answer be exactly as the answer you had in your head, that you decided, I don't know, after 10 billion years. Yes, that's it. It's maybe some trick in that, I don't know. It used to be like mathematical, it used to be like, I don't know, maybe in between the lines there is multiple 0, because multiple 0 will make everything 0. It can be some thing inside it, but what I'm saying right now is I don't care how the equation is hard to fix, because if I care, then I should try it myself. So I said okay, I will put my head on that and do it. Okay, so I said, what if I do some trick he never thought about? I put any number on that back seat of the paper in that equation, and then I decide a number, because that's what he said, I should decide any number in my head and it will be the result. But at the same time, look at how I can do. At the same time, I thought it should be the same number, as he said, it should be the same number as the next number of the number I choose from the paper. You get it? Like, let's say I chose the first number. Yeah, you get it anyway. So I did that, and I decided two numbers that doesn't relate to each other, but as he said, it should be the same number. So I did that, and the equation said that it could possibly, do you know when you fix sine and cosine, you at least you have like plus, the answer be maybe plus and maybe minus. So the equation did that, and then it doesn't like the equation said, so it's the answer possibly be that or that. Yeah, and it was both. It was both of them, but I'm not sure. Like it should be both. Like I thought, it should not be that or that. The equation said that or that. I thought, no, in that you are wrong. I'm kidding. So, so yes. So I get back to him and I said, yeah, it was that, and it said that or that. It should say the both numbers, as I said. So he looked at me and he said, you said that or that, or that. What if it was both? What if it was both? Just like you said, that or that. So I put them both together, and the answer was, because it's minus and plus, and the answer was one of them. And then when I put them together, yeah, because that or that, when the answer was that or that, you have to put it on, I don't know, you have to put it on the equation again, because it's not both. So I put it because it said that or that. So I put that in the equation again, and it came the result of the another one. And I put another one in the first of the equation, and it came the result of the first one, which means it's both. So I looked at him and I said, what did you did and how you thought about that? He said, well, I don't know. That's what I said you. I told you I'm good at mathematics. Okay, you're good at mathematics as you want, but that doesn't prove you are Einstein. Ah, my God. Anyways, guys. Anyways. What I was talking about. Yes, I'm still thinking about the equation. Like, what is the secret behind it, or something like that. But then I discovered something else. I discovered, what if my future wife decide how the number should be. Not me, like someone else. What if it's like, what if just because I wanted to happen, I maybe missed something or something like that, because after all of that discussions and how mathematics should work and stuff like that, he put a lot of things. He put like line there and then line there, the equation, in the equation you see sometimes you see on the mathematics like that, like that, showing the answer on the check, it came like that. So in that equation, it was like when you put one answer, it make like that, the answer in the middle, and the equation is like that, check. A lot of crosses lines, and the equation in the middle. So any number you put, everything crossing each other, like. And I said, well, I don't know, but I will put that video as remember to what? Because when you start with the equation is some maybe weird, long, not long, I don't know, but anyway, I said I put that video to get back and think in another way of thought. I don't know, but then it came my future wife. I said what? And now is now are we engaged? Okay, now we are engaged. So if I let her choose a number, okay, now in her head, and from the back seat of the paper, and you choose a number in her head, and I want that both of them should be the same answer. I decide that both of them should be the right answer, or I actually can make it much harder. I actually can make her decide in the future if both of them should be the same answer or not. Yeah, and then I just put the equation and hide it and wait, because I guess I don't know, he maybe changed the equation. I don't know. He maybe take the paper and change it or something like that. Because I have to, when I have to make sure about something, I just don't want to have someone with me. Then I don't want to be alone, and that's why I'm sharing this video. Like, I want everyone to show me that I'm not doing something because maybe I'm bad at mathematics or something like that. Like, if everyone have the same, if everyone can try it by himself, it can happen. Like, something can else happen, and I cannot tell my future wife, because she maybe think I'm crazy and we lose each other. I don't know, but about that, like, I will not take anything. Like, I will not talk to her, and I will not do anything. But I will let him talk to her and tell her if she can recognize how hard he made it to be. Well, I don't know, why should I care? But if I should care, if I should care, if I should, yeah, I should. If I do care, then I want to know if she do know uh, any answer about how how it does happen or something like that. Mm, yeah, guys. But this is surprising. But at least I said, I said, I don't know. I said okay, you know, Einstein, not Einstein, equation, calculator. Maybe calculator is wrong. I'm kidding. I don't know. But yeah, I have to show you exactly what I'm talking about, you know. But at least if that video is for me to remember, but I did that because I cannot just talk to myself when I think a lot of people do watch this video. Anyway, so that should be like, I don't know, that should be like because if he really discovered that if he really discovered time machine, then he could really be the, like he say, Einstein, like he maybe traveled in time and hide his death in because he shouldn't. You all know the truth. He said okay, fuck it, I want to hide myself. I don't know, man. Let's talk about something else. But if that's true and he discovered time machine, then the equation, well, I don't know. Maybe I should probably put the movement of the stars and how more hard number, I think I should put. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I should probably think more. But if I should think to make myself think, to not know what to think, then I should probably consider how much details we have on Earth, like how human in general, and the planets and the movement. Like we can be surprised by anything sometimes. Sometimes you can be surprised by only, I don't know, by only explosion by a white matter and dark matter, and you can be surprised that you can share it with the whole world. Oh, I saw what? A light, time machine between the different between that black and white matter, because the white matter is very, very strong, and I don't know what happened if they collapse. I should probably look at this. I don't know, maybe happened, let me tell you, maybe that, I don't know. But what I do know is that a recorder should probably make me think about it twice. If I don't know why, but I maybe should. Surprises all the time. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked my inspiration, how thought rotation came into realization. So, as always, kiss you, bye, kiss you, no, kiss you. I love you. Have a chocolate.